In this tutorial, I will show you rectangle tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. You can access rectangle tool from here, just right clicking, and rectangle tool shortcut is U. Rectangle tool draws rectangle. So you can easily, I am drawing a rectangle from here. You can change the fill color from here if you want. You can change stroke from here. Then stroke options, you can see, you can make this or dot it as stroke color. Stroke color, you can see I am making stroke color green. So clicking here, also here is stroke. Also you can edit these options from the properties panel. If you do not find it here, please go to the window and here is properties panel. You can see properties panel gone, and I am clicking here and it is back again. So you can also transform this shape from here. You can change the fill color. You can see, you can change the stroke color. You can make it this. Then you can make the waist. You can change the weight of the stroke. Then this is line, this is, you can make it from here. Also you can see this is option of the stroke. This is inner side, this is outer side, this is outer side. In this option also caps option, and if you want to make it rounded, you can click here. You can see, just make it round corner. Now the corners is rounded. You can adjust it anything. If you want to round it this corner only, or these two only, you need to unlink these corners first. Then you can make it, this is only one part, and this is, you can make it again, it's 71 2. So this two side is rounded. In this way you can create rectangles or rectangle shapes using rectangle tool. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.